Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase stitches. Its abbreviation is INC. One single crochet increase means making 2 single crochets into the same stitch hole. Now let's make the first single crochet in the next stitch's hole. Insert hook into next stitch hole. Yarn over, grab the yarn and pull through. Now we have 2 loops on hook. Yarn over again. Pull through the 2 loops at once. 1 single crochet is complete. Then in the same stitch hole, we make another single crochet. Insert hook into the same stitch hole. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over again. Pull through the 2 loops at once. 1 single crochet increase is completed, which forms these 2 stitches. Now I'll show you how to make a double crochet increase, which means make 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Now let's make the first double crochet. Yarn over, form a no loop on hook. Insert hook into next stitch. Yarn over and grab the yarn. Pull through the stitch. Form a no loop on hook, total 3 loops on hook. Yarn over, grab the yarn and pull through the first 2 loops, remaining 2 loops on hook. Yarn over again. Grab the yarn and pull through the 2 loops at once. Okay, 1 double crochet complete. Then in the same stitch, make another double crochet. Now the double crochet increase is completed. If you have any problems during crocheting, please feel free to contact us via email. We will reply to you as soon as we receive it.